This is our Digital Design 1, Level 1 nameplate. So I'm going to take you through an example, but the goal here is to make a creative nameplate for your mailbox while getting the basic use of Tinkercad down. So you went through tutorials. We're looking at moving shapes and sizing them, exploring those drop downs. Here I'm grabbing one of in the featured menu, the text, and you can change the arc. You can change the radius of that arc. Now, your assignment is to take your name and make it a hole in the nameplate. That can bring up some issues, like the letter A there or the letter E could fall apart. So after I align them, which is one of the tools we want to be using, you want to go to the Align button in the top when you select both. You can select both by either dragging around them or holding Shift and clicking on one and then clicking on the other. Once you cut the hole out, you need to go take a cube, make it very small, and make it a connector so that middle piece of the A or the E doesn't drop out. Now, another thing you can do is use your signature or draw something in the scribble. If you want to do this, it comes out a lot cleaner if you use the iPad app, which just recently came out, which I really enjoy. So here's some more shapes I'm just exploring. Now, depending on whether you laser cut this, which is what I'm setting up for here in this video, the laser cut is going to take that slice of that blue plane, whereas the 3D print is going to print above the plane. So depending on what you're doing will depend on how you place these objects. So because this was for a laser cut, right now you see it flat. Now when I made it a 3D print, you had that peace sign fingers coming up and very 3D. So depending on your Team Glowforge or Team MakerBot and what level you're working on, we'll change that. Now here I am setting it up for 3D print and making it kind of come at you, working with the angles. So you click on the shape, you can rotate around on the view cube, and then you can spin it in either X, Y, Z, rotate it around those axes. And gotta have the mustache there, but I want you to choose your own shapes that you enjoy. You can also kind of make some custom shapes, but here I am trying to join the letters together for the 3D print. So once you get the basic function down, now the problem I'm gonna have here, I'm showing kind of what a common mistake is I haven't yet grouped my name and that shape behind it, and I'm putting in the bar. So if I put in the bar and then I group all three together, that hole will still chop right through that little connector I made. So first you have to group the name in the back, and then you have to add the bar. And see what happened when I didn't is that A still had the middle fall out. So that's level 1. Get after it, be creative.